In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M56 and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Google. Then choose All Services and scroll again to tap on Autofill with Google here. Now select Google Password Manager. Click on the password you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then hit Edit button and change whatever you wish to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!